Hi, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I'm unboxing my favorite holiday-themed paper pumpkin kit, Spooky Treats. I'm loving the art style of these spooky images. There's a ghostly apparition, a cauldron of bats, a spider and web, and some stars. And nice fonts for the Halloween sentiments too. The stamp and spot this month is Orchid Oasis, a dead ringer for the Pantone color of the year and a personal favorite of mine, Very Perry. A little sneak peek of next month's Christmas holiday themed kit. We do know it's cards in traditional colors. And now for the big reveal. Oh my stars! Two sheets of glossy black stars in two sizes. Love them. Plus a roll of tear and tape adhesive. Then we have some belly band wrappers, 6 each of fresh freesia, white with a die-cut web and the seasonal plaid. Some dimensionals. Here are the treat box bases in basic black, pumpkin pie, and basic white. Die-cut circles and webs for embellishments. Oh, look at the little bats on the polka dotted labels. A sheet of glue dots. Love these, sometimes better than the glue dots on the rolls. And another sheet of die cuts. This time it's ghosts and spiders. And the suggested instruction sheet, along with some alternatives on the back. Let me show you how to put the box base together. It's really easy once you know how. Fold the first 2 folds towards the center inward on all 4 sides, and fold the last fold outward on all 4 sides. Then form the box and lock it in place by tucking the edge of the biggest flap in last. Find more paper crafting inspiration at. Thanks for watching, and please hit that thumbs up button.